Hi folks, this is a video challenged by my dear friend Camilla, whose anniversary it is today. Congratulations, Lance and Camilla, 6 years. When I went to their wedding, I gave Camilla, specifically, a cookbook written in Italian. It was quite the known fact that Camilla was not known for her cooking skills. She's phenomenal at other things. Cooking was not her strong suit. So 6 years later, I am challenged to try one of her things she made. So I'm hopeful that 6 years later she has taken to heart the cookbook and learned a whole lot of fantastic lessons. So here is what she has sent me, and I heated it up because I didn't know what it was, whether it was sweet or savory. So I assumed that it was going to be a dessert of some sort. The smell coming out of the microwave was vanilla-y, and then a mystery other flavor. So I'm not quite sure what that scent was, but I'm hopeful that she has learned a lot of lessons in her 6 years. Okay, here you go, Camilla. So it looks like a poppy seed of some sort. So now I'm thinking it might have been savory. I don't know. Ooh, that has a very interesting look to it. I'm hoping it's a fine Italian pastry. That's what. Well, apparently they don't use any moisture in Italian cooking because that reconstitutes in your mouth very quickly. Wow, that's the texture. Oh, that's gonna linger. I like the flavor. Lemon? What's that texture? My kingdom for a little bit of moisture. Alright. On the plus side, Camilla, you're getting better. Yep, definitely better. Oh, this is like better than Metamucil. This is gonna clean me out if I can get it past my larynx. Holy crap. Camilla, I appreciate your attempt, and you are a much better cook than you were 6, 7 years ago. Not quite there yet. Wow, that's going to be tough to get out of my mouth. I am rendered speechless because it has sucked the moisture out of my body.